Hi guys, I want everyone to stop what you're doing. I've been reviewing your math posts and I'm concerned because we did this on Thursday and it went really well, but now reviewing the post from today, I'm concerned because I don't know what's happening. I don't know if you're not skipping the video. So here I am. I'm gonna do a quick review of the butterfly strategy, and then if I sent back your post, or if you didn't complete it yet, this is perfect. Here's the time to stop, looking, and listen. So if I send back your post, I really want you to watch this video and then try again. So the butterfly strategy, when all else fails, the butterfly strategy will always work. So it's really important that you understand the butterfly strategy, especially for tomorrow's lesson. We're going to be ordering fractions, and you can't order fractions if you can't compare fractions. So I really want everyone to take the time to truly feel anchored in this strategy. So let's compare fractions. Let's say 2/4 and 7/9. How about that? So we're going to compare these two fractions, right? Here's the little circle. We got to put greater than, less than, or equal to. So here's my first wing pair. I'm going to pretend there's an imaginary multiplication symbol. It's hard for me to write upside down, but just pretend. It looks like addition, but I want it to be multiplication. So, all right, pretend there's an imaginary multiplication symbol there. So we're going to do 9 times 2. That's 18. Now our second wing pair, 7 times 4. 7, 14, 21, 28. Now what's greater, 18 or 28? What number is bigger? 28, right? So 7/9 is greater than 2/4. So I'm going to rewrite, oh goodness, I'm going to rewrite 2/4 and here's 7/9, because we all agree, this should be an 18, this is an 8. So 18, 28. So we all agree 7/9 is greater than 2/4 because 28 is greater than 18. Now, I don't know if you guys understand this part and you're just messing up the symbol, but here I go. So we agreed that 7/9 is bigger. So this is the greater than symbol. The opening, right, this opening part is facing the greater number. And I know I showed that anchor chart and I've said it multiple times. You can pretend like this is a mouth and it wants to eat the greater number. So this reads 2/4 is less than 7/9. Right? And the opening is facing this way. Let's do another example together. Let's say 5/6 and 4/8. How about that? So here's our two fractions. We have to fill in greater than, less than, or equal to. So here's my first wing pair, and I'm going to do 5 times 8. And 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, so that's 40. Now my second wing pair, 6 times 4. I know that's 24, 6, 12, 18. 24. So now 40 and 24, what's greater? Well, 40 is greater, which means 5/6 is going to be the greater. So now I'm going to rewrite this because sometimes with all the cross multiplying and all the butterfly gets in the way. So now we're agreeing that 40 is greater than 24. So 5/6 is greater. Now when I draw my symbol, the opening, the mouth part, is going to face 5/6 because 5/6 is greater than 4/8. Right? Here's a little, if that helps you remember. So 5/6 is greater than 4/8. Now, some of you might be trying to compare the fractions in your head, but at this very moment, I don't think we're there yet. I don't think we're going to be able to compare the fractions in our head. I really just suggest doing the butterfly strategy, even if you have a piece of paper and then you upload it. This way, I can see your mistakes. So if you just upload a bunch of symbols, I don't know where you went wrong, but if you show me your work, I can kind of help you that way. So let's do one last one. How about 2/10 and 6/7? I don't know. So 2/10 and 6/7. We're going to compare these fractions. So here's my first wing pair. So I'm going to do 7 times 2 is 14. And then we have 10 and 6, which I know is 60. Well, comparing 14 and 60, 60 is greater. So 6/7 is the greater fraction. Now I'm going to rewrite this 2/10, 6/7. And now we agreed 6/7 is greater than. So the opening is going to face 6/7, right? The opening or the mouth, the alligator wants to eat 6/7 because it's greater than. And this would read 2/10 is less than 6/7. Okay, so I really hope everybody took the time out to watch this. I'm going to ask you to comment the secret word, which is marshmallow, and you have to write that in the comments so I know you watched this video. Again, secret word, marshmallow. All right, guys, I want you, if I sent it back, I want you to try again, and if you didn't yet do the lesson, try your best. Have a great rest of the day.